Hi guys, right, this is the long-term video. It's basically updating, one of the older videos that I have done in the past on the long terms. Okay, right. It, I'm going to incorporate quite a bit into this. I'm going to be doing something a little different. We're going to look at some screenshots that have been taken over the last couple of months in preparation for doing this video. And then we're going to see some recordings as well. I'm going to mix them in. Again, BT, thanks for putting them up, mate. You don't have to do this. You do it, and it's great because everybody gets to look at the recordings, gets to train on the recordings, and everybody really should be thanking BT for that, guys. He doesn't need to take the time to put these up, but he does. Okay, right. So again, first of all, right, the LTs are everything. They are direction. Once you have your direction, Rocky, I'm speaking to you here, Darwin as well, mate. Once you have your direction, okay, it's entirely up to you how you trade the smaller, lower time frames to get your wins. Okay, it doesn't matter what strategy you use. Then once you have your direction, it's pretty much set. Okay, yes, you can wait for real two if you like, and I'll show you how that works, especially well with the long terms. Okay, but Rocket again, it's just the courage to take the trade once you have direction, Rocky. Okay, you need to do this. If you want 12 pippers, 8 pip stop loss, mate. All right, be brave, Rocky. Be brave. Take it on. Okay, so we'll crack on. Right. So first of all, I've got some snapshots as I told you a bit earlier, right? To show you and how I read my direction. Right, but basically, I've said quite a lot about the weeklies being your trends or my trend. Basically, they're not the trend for me. They are direction. Okay, so I come in, I've got a weekly signal. Then I'm thinking, okay, then this week's main direction, this week's trend is probably down. All right. And as you can see on the GU there, that week there, this is Friday, so that week there, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 of those days, price has been going down. So I would have considered that my trend. And if you look at the 4-hour CL, look at it, it's red. Excuse me. Okay. And again, uh, all it is a matter of doing then is looking where you are. So you've got your direction for the week was down. Where were we? Okay, we had on Monday we had a daily signal. You can't see it on the 8-hour, right? But you can tell it's been going down on the 8-hour, right? 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this was pretty much the start here. The next candle that's just off the chart there. Okay, or it might even be that one there. All right. So you would have had 1-hour blue, definitely, possibly 4-hour blue, maybe, definitely. You might even have had a 1-hour flip down BB band. Possibly had a 4-hour blue. It's one of I can't really see back on this particular recording. I mean, I could go back and look on the 7th of December on the recordings. In fact, you know what? We will just have a look to see how that started out. So the 7th of December. Let's just go and have a look back, guys. Here we go. Towards the end of the session and see what we got. No, that's not right. Yeah, it is. Yeah, there you go. 1-hour blue. Look, flip down. 4-hour BB band. What was we looking at there? No, it's not the 7th, is it? Oh, that was just the next day. So we're looking for the Monday. Sorry, guys, my math isn't so great today. Monday. Oh, God. So 7th. sixth, fifth, fourth. I think should be the fourth. There we go. And it had already started going, so it's a flip down 8-hour BB band there. Right. One thing before we get going. Right, guys. When you see a massive move, and you will see a white on top. You see this white here? Okay. That is just the white on top of the candle. Right, now let me explain something. Right, the first signals to appear will be a blue. Okay, then a red, then a pink, then possibly a yellow, like you got here. Red, pink, yellow there. That's why the yellow is on top, you see, of the pink. Right, and then a white. The white is always the last signal to appear, and that's why sometimes you will see this. You know, a really strong move with a white, and everyone's like, oh, it's just that the fact that you could have behind that a red, a pink, a yellow, and sometimes even the blue. Right, it's just that the white is the last arrow to appear, and that's why it's imprinted on top. Okay, you can see there, last arrow to appear on this down move here. There, look, you can see there's a halo of a pink. Okay, I'll show you a bit clearer on the clips, the screenshots that I have a little later on. All right, so that's just to clear that up. So, in effect, you've got the 1 hour blue there, red, pink, yellow there. Okay, look at the white again. There, look. Always the last to appear. Right, but the move came from outside weekly BB bands with a weekly signal that was probably started off as either a blue or a red. Okay, it's already got going. You've had to bounce there off the daily orange line. Again, you know, you could have taken this down because you had a daily blue. You could have taken that up as your direction. You could have taken this one down. Again, flip down 8 hour BB band here, 1 hour blue. All right, but here's the thing. Right, this massive move down here would have started, right, with a 15-minute rule too. Okay. Yes, I know sometimes they do this and come back to the flip down BB band. Darwin, if you come in a room and let's say your move's already got going, mate, right, what you should think then to look for is, right, okay, if I want to continue down with this because I know this was going to the daily orange line here, and let's say it was only halfway down, then look for something like that, either a flipped down 5-minute or 15-minute BB band. Okay, if your move has already got going, if you've missed the start of your move, Darwin, basically, okay, and you will get them in. All right, again, if you look here, Darwin, it went down here. This is rule 2, it's closed below the 15-minute orange line, so you wait for that pullback there, Darwin, start your move, bang, 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 bang. And the thing is, Darwin, you know, I want you to start, and it sounds a bit bossy saying that, but I would prefer you to start and just get some wins under your belt, Darwin. You did great when you first started doing these, right? So get some wins under your belt, get your 60 pippers, 2 of them a day. You could easily do, right, using the LTs as your starting point. And then eventually, Darwin, you will move on and start doing them big ones. 6-steppers, 7-steppers, 8-steppers, even more, right? Judging the fact that, you know, you've got a daily orange line bounce or a daily BB band bounce, right? And they go, you know, again, it's all about what you've got and where you are on any particular day. Right, so with your weekly, so you look at your weekly down here, you were on daily BB band, you had a daily blue, you got a 1 hour blue. Bang. There, look at that. And then pulls back. All this was through the night, so that's why it was a bit slower. Back to the BB band here. Still got that there, that there. Bang. See it? There. Okay. And it probably went off the 4 hour orange line and all that. Might have bent a bit, but again, look at this, guys. Perfect. Second move. You know, I'll tell you now, right, that you're outside weekly, right? Basically, you get a daily blue. This is what happens, right? It will come down, bounce, and then go through on its way down to the daily orange line. Okay, and it did it there. Let's have a look. Well, you see this pulled out. You can't see it on the 4 hour, but if you see this on the 8 hour, look. See how it bounced away from the orange line on the 8 hour? That bounced off the 4 hour orange line there. Okay, and then it was that strong, it just went right through to the 8 hour BB band. That's what they do, guys, on the way to the daily orange line. Alright. Of course, trend, this second move, which called at the time, me and Lambo were talking about it, BT, saying they look second move-ish. Bang, look at them. And huge, huge, huge moves down there and up there. Okay, right, so yeah, it did start with a 1 hour blue, as I suspected. Okay, where were we? And now, you know, again, look here, it's gone through the daily, bounce back to the daily orange line there with a trend. You could have taken the trend trade here, you know, but then just think to yourself, well, this is a weekly super, it's probably going to the weekly orange line. Okay, and again here, daily orange line, what did you have? Flipped down 8 hour BB band. Bang, direction. Did you have a blue with that? GU? Possibly. It was that multi-signal there, but you got about 3 signals. So if you ever get a situation like this where you didn't get the blue Darwin, look for rule 2. You know, rule 2 closed below the 15-minute orange line there. Pull back, bang. I know there was news, right, but bang. And then it pulled back again, and then bang again there. Alright. Okay, so let's move on, have a look at another one. I'm just going to go through these recordings, guys, these screenshots and show you, and then I'll show you what happened on recordings. On the actual recording, you know, and basically, look, this was prior to it. When was it? What date was this? November the 23rd. This was leading up to the screenshot I've just shown you. Look, the daily orange line bounce there. You broke the 8 hour. Might have had a 4 hour blue and it's disappeared because it's coming down now. Okay, but again, you know, it would have been rule 2. You would have had rule 2. And again, Darwin, you know, if you're ever unsure, wait for rule 2 and then wait for the pullback. And then bang, look at that, Darwin, you would have won your trade here. And because you're now looking here for your setup, Darwin, right, sometimes you're not going to get just one opportunity with these down, as I'll show you, you know, as we go along, you'll get a couple. And again, look, hey, you might have taken that one down there and then flip down 5-minute BB band there. Right, let's flick on. Again, look, you know, rule 2 would have been in play down here somewhere, Darwin, down here. And then look, Rocky, same for you, mate. Everybody really, you know, the LTs are the ultimate. Again, rule 2 in play here, anywhere here, pull back. Look at that there. And this is what I mean, Darwin, sooner or later I would prefer you just to get some wins under your belt. So get, you know, a couple of 4-steppers a day, and then eventually you'd have been taking that down from the daily orange line using rule 2, Darwin, and doing, well, it's 79 from the white, so it's probably higher than that. Call it 80, and it went to 93, so it's an 80 pip move, Darwin. You would have got a 10-stepper in there easily. 1 hour blue appears, 4 hour blue appears, close all your trades. Okay, Rocky, you'd have been 12 pipping galore here. 5-minute orange lines. Alright, all because you read this was a daily orange line and rule 2 was in play, even if you didn't have a blue. Alright, let's flick on. More again. Right, this is one I want to show you the recording of. Okay, outside weekly, daily blue, another signal. It's already got going. This is the one that confuses a lot of people. They think it's over because it's bouncing here. Right, you're still outside weekly, you're still outside daily. This is like a first move, and you should be thinking second move, right? And because you've already bounced at the daily orange line, it should be, it can, sometimes the trends are that stubborn that it'll bounce again at the daily orange line, right? But most times it'll go through. Okay, so in other words, you consider this here, this move up here now, the pullback. Okay, so again, Darwin, you would have had your blue there. Didn't second move, Darwin. This is one of the things you'll have to kind of work out. Do I just go for it, or do I second move it? It didn't offer the second move, it just went. So, that's something you'll have to sort out for yourself. Do away. If you look here, it's second moved there. Right, and I think that there is that move. That is the start of the second move there. Alright. So again, it's entirely up to you, Darwin, how you work on that. But let's have a look at the recording on this. You can see it's after session. Right. November 29th. No, Wednesday. So we want the 30th, don't we? Going back a bit, this one, November 30th. Oh. What date was that, guys? Again, November 29th. No, not got it. So we'll have to look at the first Friday. Right, so we didn't have the Thursday recording. Excuse me. Okay. Right. There it was. There it was. Look. Remember it? Okay. That was the move there. Okay. So again, I can't show you on the 15 on that, but that was the move that happened. Flipped down 4-hour BB band there. Guys, let it play. Okay. Come in the room now. That's what's happened. What time is this? 8:43. Yeah, so that's what's happened there. 8-hour orange line. Broke the 8-hour orange line from the bounce back off the daily. And then went down from the 4-hour orange line. There's the 15-minute blue, Darwin. Wow. Bang. And because it's such a big time frame, Darwin, you would have got two opportunities maybe. I know it's the early hours in the morning, guys. I'm just showing you the setup and how it works. I would have been trading this during the Euro session. Some of you Americans might have had to use the sell stop or a sell order limit just below the flip down 4-hour BB band if you looked ahead. Okay, for an LT trade. Alright, but just showing you the setups and how the LTs work. Again, Darwin, look, 4-hour orange line. This signal had done its job for now. Flip down 1-hour BB band, 15 blue. Look at that, Darv. Yeah, I did have a first move there. Pull back, second move there. You can see it, the wick there. Bang, you would have won your Darwin inside that. I think, oh, well, it's only 21 pips now, but yeah, would have been close. All right. Let's just flick to the end of this and see what happens. Okay, so what do we have? Flipped up 4-hour BB band, Darwin. Everybody flipped up 4-hour BB band. It's the daily orange line bounce. After that bounce down here, look. But again, Darwin, imagine you're just using the 4-hour time frame and looking at the LTs for your setup. Big move down there, huge move up here. And again, for you guys that love Rule 2, Igor in particular, Rule 2 is in play, pull back, boom. Okay, Rule 2 is in play, pull back, boom. Because of the size of the time frame again, Darwin, look, bang. Even another one here, I suppose you could have had an attempt at that. Alright, Rule 2 in play here on the Jappies, look at this. Bang, pull back, bang. No 15 blues, they usually these signals just usually take price up to the 15-minute orange line. Okay, get 15 blues, then it might be a reversal. It just depends what else you've got to back you up here. Okay, so yeah, that was the day before it went down again here. Right, in fact, here's the start of that move down. If you recall, I've shown you, just let me go back a minute. It's not that one, is it? Well, that was it there. Look at that. You know, there. That is now, tomorrow, or it's after session, so you know, could be overnight, whatever. Okay, flip down, 8-hour BB band, 1-hour blue. Rule 2's in play. Yeah, it might go up again a bit here. Sometimes they happen. If this breaks this, then and it keeps going up, right? You look here. First flip, 5-minute BB band. All right. We'll have a look at December the 2nd just to see this move go. All right, and then we'll move on again. Oh, was that Friday? Must have been. All right, the 4th, guys. And there it was. You know, that flip down BB band. Look at that there. Look at that. Okay, it all started with that 1-hour blue, if you remember. Okay, and again, guys, rule 2 in play. Pullbacks, yes, I know it's the early hours. Well, for some of you it was. But look, bang again. And you know, we talk about it, Dav, and I keep saying, you know, just go for 60 pips, but eventually you're going to be able to say, I'll just keep going till a blue appears, you know, because it was the daily and the 8-hour flip down BB band. Personally, Dav, and I think, and Rocky in particular, you too, right, because one of you's come back, right, personally, Dav, and I think you using the LTs and minimum of 4-hour. Maybe, you know, you can add the 1-hour flipped BB bands to that if it's, you know, it's looking a bit slow. I mean, if you look at this period here, David, it was looking a bit slow. And let's say you came in the room and you just clock that 1-hour flip down BB band there, then yeah, you know, maybe you could say, right, well, I'll use the 1-hour BB bands as well. Right, but that's the minimum I would use, Darwin, is the 1-hour BB bands, not the 1-hour orange line. All right, you know, so that's the minimum I'd use if I were you. Rocky, for your 12 pippers, mate. You look at this here, you're below here, right? Pull back, bang. Okay, it's early hours of the morning. Would have won there, 12 pips, and then another one easy there, Rocky. Right, so if I were you, Rocky, I'd be saying to myself, right, LTs plus rule 2 if I need to use rule 2, right, or the blues, Rocky, and then just go for it, mate. And again, look, if you look here, Rocky, bang, 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 3 there. Okay. All right. Right. Okay. So we'll have a quick look at the end of this because I'm pretty sure we had a reversal. We usually always have a reversal or a bounce. All right. 4-hour blues appearing now here. Right. Probably going to go back up with a trend. So I mean, I'm looking here and I'm thinking, right, it might come down more, but the fact you've got a 4-hour blue means more up. Okay, so I'll have a look if we've got the 5th and see if we get to that 4-hour orange line. Okay, quickly, December 5th. Ooh, rotten sun. Let's have a look. Yeah, we've got it. Excuse me, guys, I'm full of a cold. Yeah, and there it did. Look, went back to the 4-hour orange line. The 4-hour blue's disappeared because it's been coming down again. All right, that happens. But look, went back to the 4-hour orange line. Okay. Moving a daily now, this might go up more. Could break this 4-hour BB band and then come down again. Because basically for me, this is saying weekly orange line. You know, you've had a bounce here at the orange line. This one went through, just about BB band, but again, it was strong, and sometimes that happens. So you might get a little bounce here and then back down. We'll have a look at the end of the session and see what happens here. Yeah, yeah, look, broke the 4 hour BB band Darwin and then went back down with that. Rocky, back down with that. And again, you know, at any one point, Rocky, there were 12 pippers there, mate. Okay, so it's not easy, it's not hard. Once you have your direction, guys, if you can just work out direction, and the LTs are all about direction. I worked these out from, you know, quite an early stage. What these were telling me was going to happen. Okay, and again, it's dead simple when you put it. When you think about it, you know, I focused on these three in particular today, right? And they've been crystal clear in what they've told you. Okay, the weeklies, and then it's just a matter of looking where you are and what you've got. So if you were looking at this here for down, right, but you'd broken the daily BB band here, and you had a 4 hour, 1 and 4 hour blues, right, it's going to go up. Okay, so then it's just a matter of saying where to. Well, it's going to break the 4 hour orange line, did there, went back to the 8 hour orange line, and then chances are it's going to go down from there. Actually went down from the daily. Yeah, from the 8 hour orange line, because it's like 3 of those 8 hour candles per day, right? And again, there, back down with that from there. So if you come in the room, you're on the daily orange line, 8 hour orange line here, chances are it's going to go down. Okay, so you look for something then, right? Okay, it's broke the 4 hour orange line. Ooh, not far off the flip down 1 hour BB band. It's going to go down here. Let's have a look at the lower time frame. Did you have anything with it? All these here. That was that signal I was talking about. Can you see how it's haloed? The pink behind it. There's probably a red there as well, like that. That behind that white probably looks like that. And yeah, I don't think it's a blue because it, you know, it's been mucking around at that level for a bit. It's generally when you break the BB bands and it says, oh no, we want to reverse. All right, okay, there it was. There was your rule 2. If you want to be super careful, there's rule 2. Bang. All right, so it's dead simple to me. You had everything there saying down. That was down. Daily orange line, 8 hour orange line, broke the 4 hour orange line, flipped down 1 hour BB band. Yeah, let's wait for rule 2. Bang, pull back, boom. That's it. That's it, guys. Okay, have a look over here. Trend definitely down. Yes, you've got some nice blues in here. These will reverse, and they've also got it, you know, been going, right? But where are you? Broke the 4 hour orange line. You can see it there. This candle before with the white on it. Broke the 4 hour orange line. 1 hour BB band. 15 blue. Bang. And a bank. And a bank. Okay. Again, we'll look at these. Look, all these blues here. It's been going. It's been going. But from 4 hour BB band there, you see it, Darwin? Broke the 4 hour flip down BB band. Gonna bounce. 15 blue. Yeah, looks like some kind of news at a 8:30, but nevertheless, look at that. Bang. Okay. Right, so what we'll do is, this is December the 8th. Let's go and have a look. What time is it? 9:55. So we'll have a look at December the 8th. Recording a little later on. Yeah, later on. What was we talking about? Well, broke the 8 hour up. Right. The UJ was clearer. Look at those blues work. Once the chain was completed, there it was. Look at that. Okay, you see it? Look, 15 blue and boom. Okay, not using the GJ as an example today. Again, GU once it broke the daily. 4 hour blues, up, bounce, bang. This is what the LTs are all about, guys. And the sooner you guys learn um, how to read them, and honestly, it's a lot easier than you think. You're just looking here, you're seeing what the weekly are telling you for direction, and then you're just looking at the next time frames to see where you are, right? If you can't go with what the weekly's telling you, see what you've got against it. It's not far off a weekly. In fact, I've just shown you that one, and the GU went up because you had these here, right? So you're outside daily, you can't go with the weekly, so it's a bounce, okay? And I've just shown you that on that last recording here. Look, this is what happened on the GU. Look, up, bang, a couple of times to the 4 hour orange line there. Once broke the orange line, then bounced back down, went up again. There, pull back. Yeah, that would have been definitely on the 5 minute flipped up BB man, by the way. Probably even broke it. Excuse me, and then again there. Right? And that's because the blues were telling you, because you were outside daily, that you can't go down with the weekly. You have to go up. Okay, that's what those blues were telling you. You just needed something on the lower time frame to tell you that. It's ready. It's going now, basically. And there it was. The blues were in. Yeah, you could have waited for a second move somewhere here on the 5 minute time frame or the HA time frame before going bang. Then you got your pullback after you broke the 1 hour orange line, and then it went again. Okay, and Rocky, I know this doesn't particularly look like much right here, Rocky. Right, let's just go back a bit to show you on the 5 minute time frame. Come on. You're doing me head in. Right, but look, Rocky. So you'd have been taking it up here. Got a couple of 12 pippers in, Rocky. And then easily got a couple of 12 pippers in there, Rocky. You understand? And that's all because of what these were telling you, Rocky. Alright, mate. So you can do it, Rocky. It's the courage to take the trade at the correct time. And I think with 8 pip stop loss and a 12 pip take profit, Rocky, you're going to win 4 or 5 12 pippers a day. Okay, right. Again, we'll just have another look at some more recordings. I think we've already looked at this one, haven't we? November 23rd, it looks like it on the daily GU. Oh, and there, look at that. Look at that. Guys, look at this. Daily orange line. Boom. And it broke here, went to the BB band, pulls back to the 8 hour orange. Well, it was actually 4 hour BB band there because it pulled back again, flipped down. What do you call it? 4 hour BB band. Did we have anything with that? Not really, no. I think that's that move there. So you could have ignored that and waited for the up because there was no blue. And kaboom. Alright. Another. Right. Okay. This one. Again. Right. Weeklies are saying up because there's nothing here. Right. So look at the next time frame. Right. Daily blue. Red. Oh, yeah. It's already got going. It's bounced here. Right. Okay. So we look at the next time frame down. Oh, yeah. Flip down. Doodah B band. 4 hour BB band. I think I've shown you this one. Pull back here, down. Okay, this was November the 29th. Yeah, this is the one I've shown you. And then we went and looked at December the 1st, didn't we, for that down move. December the 4th, this, it started there. Look, bounce, bounce, bounce. And again, all you're doing is you're looking here, seeing what these are telling you. And then you look where you are. Right? If you can go with the weekly, go with the weekly. Okay, if you can't go with the weekly, see what you've got going for you to go against the weekly. That is all it is, guys. It's really, really simple. And again, Darwin, look at this, mate. Look, you've been thinking going with a weekly here on this particular day. It's bounced, right? back to the 8-hour orange line. You broke the 8-hour orange line, Darwin. Broke the 4-hour flip down BB band, Darwin. Broke the 1-hour BB band. 15 blue, Darwin. Yes, it looks like there's some news at 10 there to take it up, but it doesn't matter. And the other thing to take into account on all guys, when you have news, 15 blues, when they correlate, look at these. Look, 2 USD saying up, 1 GBP against the USD saying down. Perfect. Perfect. And again, Rocky, you've got that knowledge. Ignore that. Pull back, 12 pipper. Pull back, maybe 12 pipper. If not, it definitely 12 pipper there. And then pull back, 12 pipper again, Rocky. And this is all because of the size of the time frame here. Okay, so I genuinely hope you guys enjoyed this video and use the knowledge of what I've what I'm saying here. Again, we're going to look at this again on the GU here. Look, after that move down, you broke the 8-hour BB band, you broke the 1-hour blue. Did we get 15-minute blue? Yes, we did. Okay, look, first move hits the orange line, pulls back here, second move there, bang, 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 right? And it's not just gonna come down from here. A lot of people think, oh, it's first flip 5-minute BB band, but it's the time frame that the move is coming from, guys, and it's here. Okay, and once you understand what these are telling you, trading these becomes easy. I mean easy. Your mindset is one way until blues tell you otherwise. Okay. December the 12th. Do you want to look at the 13th and we'll have a look and see what happens here? Okay, we will do. What did it say? December the 13th. I'll have a quick look at this past week. That'll do us, I think. Right, so well, it was that move up there. Look, it went above the 8-hour orange line. That's how big a move back that was, guys. There. That GU up, do you remember it? Just showing it you on. Where is it? On there. That could have been it. The 1-hour, 4-hour blue here kicking in again. That could have been it, and it's back down again. Yep, broke 1-hour orange line. Let's have a look. No, it went up on the next 4-hour candle as well. Oh no, that's that's today's. Is it that one? Anyway, you understand what I'm saying here, guys. It's to me now. Again, going down here. Yeah, and it did do, look, it broke the 8-hour line, bang, down again, and again, you would have had rule 2 in, and then down, and I mean, let's have a look at this UCAD. Oh my god, look at that. Look, daily orange line, guys, that's saying down. Sorry, weekly orange line, guys, that's saying down. Where are you? Excuse me. What day is it for? Wednesday, so 1, 2, 3. So you're probably here or here. Flip down daily BB band. I think that would have been the Sunday night opening. 4-hour blue for this particular move down here. Alright, 4-hour blue there because you broke the 8-hour BB band there. Okay, again, if you were unsure about this one because the blue's inside the BB bands, rule 2. There's your rule 2. Pull back, bang, pull back, bang, pull back, bang, pull back, bang, pull back, bang. Come on, guys, Rocky, if you can't make 12 pippers using this system, there's something wrong, mate. Okay. Quick flip to the end of this and we'll have a look at the new ones. 13. So that would have been 2 o'clock. Must have been a rate decision here for these to go up like that. Interest rate decision. Just one thing, guys. Right, let me get to 2 o'clock. What time are we there? 1:13. 143, 158, 202. Right, so let's just get to right before the interest rate decision. Right, I'm going to pause it there. 159. Okay, it's 2 o'clock interest rate decision. Right, this is something I've noticed. Right, no matter what you think, okay, when these interest rate decisions are coming up, it's kind of how I've been trading news. And you know how many times I've said, yep, bang, overspill, spillage. Yeah, right, because I'm in the right direction, right? It's happened a lot, right? It's where you are. It's where you are. Like, they've been driving the pound down today, right, towards the daily BB band. It's just broke it there. Can you see the lines just bending a bit? Yeah, so it just broke the daily BB band right before news. Okay, so my mindset here on this now was up. Okay, 1 hour blue as well. I suppose you could add that to it. This one, the UCAT, they were driving up. Broke the 8 hour orange line, the 4 hour orange line. Okay, these here had done the job. Can you see? Done the job. Okay, not quite sure how the Japanese interfered, but the GU and the UCAD here, this is what I've noticed when you have the interest rate decisions. UJ should do the same as well. Okay, this looks like it's got going, to be honest with you. But anyway, if you watch these two now, and what tends to happen at news, it all depends on where you are. What I would say is, if you're going to have a go at this, then we've got like 30 seconds left. Use a buy stop there. Use a sell stop somewhere here, like that. Give yourself, say, a 20 pip stop loss if you're going to do it. If not, then it's all about the blues, guys. Let the initial move go and look for blues, because they will eventually reverse. But anyway, look, about 10 seconds to go, so we'll just watch the interest rate decisions hit. Pull back, pull back, get me mouse out of the way, bang. Look at that. Hey, how good? How good is that? You know, I'm not so sure you're able to trade that. It's that quick. Okay. Oh dear. Right. Anyway, have I got any more? Just showing a look at what eventually happened with those weekly orange line bounces there, guys. Look at that. Look at them. Weekly orange line bounce. Boom. Boom. This one, blues against the weekly direction of down. Yeah. Look what they do. Look what they do. You know, and look, rule 2 at some point would have been in down here on the UJ. And then bang. Yeah. Oh, I know there's rule 2 there again, but he's talking about these here. You're not talking about a 1 hour blue, so you should not be thinking down here. No matter what, your mindset should have been up, even though it's early hours of the morning. It's irrelevant, guys. Your mindset, I'm just showing you the setup. Your mindset set should be up. Bang, bang, bang. You know? Okay? Any more? Friday, December the 15th. Pretty much showed that, I think. December the 20th, again. You know, I'm not sure if it quite made it back to the 4 hour orange line there. But it was a flip down 15-minute BB band here. So you could have had it from there, Darwin, or waited for rule 2 there, then pull back, and then boom. Okay, so, yep. Look, back, down again, look, broke the daily orange line here, 8 hour BB band, possibly a blue. Behind that could have been a blue there to start with, possibly blue behind that. It's just the way it works, guys. And again, you know, you had the blue here anyway. And rule 2, pull back, bang, pull back, bang. Okay, so that's how, and I know Igor absolutely hammered these. I remember these two here, and he was above. He said rule two, and then boom. I think Darwin. I think Igor on this particular week um, made a couple of hundred pips on more than one occasion. Okay, just trading using rule two. Okay, so bear that in mind, mate. It's LTs plus rule two. Okay, if you're going to do that, and that's all it is. Those two rules there. Okay, is that it? Yeah, that's it on them. So let's just have a quick look at this past week because again, I don't do short videos. Where are we? Oh, that's a bad record. I can't look at that one. So we'll look at the 17th and the 18th. Okay, 17th and the 18th. Look, weekly orange line bounce over. Might not quite have reached the daily orange line. It does look as though it has there, but look, broke the 8-hour Darwin, broken 4-hour BB band, 1-hour blue. Yes, took its time to get going. It happens sometimes, Darwin. So what you can do if you've got a situation like this where you're struggling to get that first trade to win, right, is look for the second move. Would have been there somewhere. Yeah, you see how it struggled here again. There's no blue showing, so presume that there wasn't, and you might have been better if there was no 15 blue there. You could have attempted that. Okay, you notice where the blues are, Darwin. They tend to reverse price, and where they're not, price tends to continue. Okay, nice and early in the morning. Let's have a look at the end of the. Where are we? There we are. End of the session. And again, Darwin, look, if you weren't sure, rule two is in play there, and then look, same with you, Rocky. Hands, again, look at the blues here, what they do, Darv. Reverse price. Okay, but again, it was reversing price at 4-hour orange lines and 4-hour BB bands, Darwin. Look, the same with the GU. Look, boom, broke the 4-hour orange line, boom, reversed. There it was. Okay. Again, one quick last look. We've not got Fridays, but this is Thursday. Excuse me, quick look again. Again, look, pointed this out. BB band. BB band. Right, have you got anything saying down? Yes. Not first move neither, second move. Anything saying up blue? Yes, bounced a bit here at the daily orange line. Might be just a pullback here now. Flipped up 4-hour BB band. Could go. Could go. Right, so, again, we'll look at these two in particular. This one's outside daily blue on the UJ. Look, you're outside weekly daily blue. This is saying down. First move, pull back. Might go up a bit more to this BB band. It all depends now, and if it does go up. So what you do here, if you're not sure, you just say, well, you know what? I'm going to either use rule two or I'm going to use a second move. That's all you do, Darwin, Rocket. You just, guys, hands, everyone. You just say either a second move minimum, right, for my first attempt, or rule two on the 15-minute time frame for my first attempt. That is it. That is it. You're just unsure, so that's all you do. Okay, so move up here, bang down, right, didn't close above, so it would have been a second move, possibly, here. So that one there, up, there you go, Rocky, one winner, two winner, pull back, three winners there, probably going to go again here, Rocky. Okay, UCAD, I said about that, and the daily, BB band, and look, 15-minute blue there, Darv, bang, bang, beware the bounce there, but then a 15 blue again, bang, and the reason you're still going down, Darwin, is because that. Okay, that's it. I mean, the Jappies took a while to get going. This one takes ages to get going, guys. mainly because the Japanese yen is so weak at the moment. Okay, well, let's just push to the end and have a look. Yeah, you see, I think it was Friday this actually dropped. UJ, but again, Darwin, the ranging kind of markets definitely seems to be able to trade this now. Igor has got his eyes on the blues as well, so he's doing okay on that. Again, look at the GU. Carried on going up. Rocky, how many 12 pippers do you think you would have had? Right? Alright. And new card again. Flip down. 15-minute BB band here. Bang. And again, a flip down 5-minute BB band there. Look at that. Again, Darwin. Your mindset is still down because of this. Okay. You've already bounced here. This is why, my mindset is still down. You've already bounced here. Okay. Admittedly, I might not take a trade directly here, down. Okay, I would wait for something like this, right? But my mindset will still be down because of that. And on Friday, this really went. All right, right, guys, that is the long-term video. Basically, what this video is doing is updating you on an older video, the older videos that I've made with the new charts. Okay, incorporating rule 2, but basically it's still the same. If you want to watch the old ones, fine. This one a bit more in depth, and I've also shown you, a lot of these snapshots and what I've been collecting over the last couple of months. But basically, guys, when you're reading the LTs, it's simple. You look here for your direction, right? So here you would be thinking, oh, bounce. Okay, have I got anything to suggest bounce? Oh, well, I've just broken the daily orange line here. Ooh, yeah, no. All right, we're on this 8-hour orange line here now, right? So it could go either way. So you were unsure here because it's already bounced down. You're unsure here because of where you are. Look at the 4-hour. Ooh, very close to this 4-hour flipped up BB band. Okay, so could go back up with a bounce here, right? So 1 hour signal, 15 blue, right? So you say to yourself, well, minimum second move it. Okay, minimum second move. That's all you have to think, right? Minimum second move, 5-minute. I'll watch for the HA BB bands to flip up, and that'll be my first entry point. My first attempt. If it comes down, then I'll wait for rule 2. Okay? That is it, guys. That is it. That's how easy the LTs are to read. Just looks where you are. You're thinking up here, right? Let's have a close up of that. Look, hit the daily orange line, broke the 8-hour. What did we have? Flipped up 4-hour BB band, 1-hour blue. Right? Got all these here. Right? So early hours in the morning, you had rule 2, might not have seen it. Comes back down, wait for rule 2 again. Bang, rule 2 there. Pull back, boom. Pull back, boom. Okay, rule 2. Here, look. Bang, pull back, boom. Pull back, boom. Okay, rule 2 there. Pull back, boom. That is it, guys. That is the LT video, and like I say, once you understand direction, it doesn't matter how you trade, whether you trade the 2 1s and 3 nils, go with the flow basically, whether you trade like Darwin, where he'll be compounding his moves again, but now he can do it with ultra confidence and get back to peak Darwin, okay? Or whether you're like Rocky, still struggling, even though I know Rocky understands the LTs as good as most people in the room, right, guys? Because he has been here for so long, okay? It's just a confidence thing, okay, Rocky? Get those trades in, get your entries, and you'll win your pips, mate. Win a few days, Rocky, and your confidence will grow. Okay, and Lambo, as you all know what Lambo does, right? He reads the LTs, and he's in with a HA white. Oh, that was one other thing I wanted to mention to Darwin. Darwin, you know, just out of interest, what you could actually do instead of, you know how you compound every 6 pips. What you could do, Darwin, is try using the HA flipped BB bands with a signal for your second, third, and fourth entries, rather than risking losing the inside trades, basically the inside entries of your trade. You understand? So you could say to yourself, well, no, my second entry will be a flipped up HABB band. Bang, there you am. I mean, flipped up HABB band again for your third entry. Bang, okay, you might only get a free stepper in, and it'll probably be more pips, right? But you're not gonna risk losing those internal entry points. Whereas when you compound, you just do it for every 6 pips. You run the risk of losing a few pips in there. The other thing you can do, I notice you'll still trade in the GJ. If you do that, mate, right, I wouldn't do it on a dollar day. If you notice the dollar's big, Darwin, then look at the GU, look at the UCAD, look at the UJ. Alright, but don't trade the GJ because it gets messed around and you'll lose a lot of those internal trades. Right, but if you're going to continue to trade the GJ, maybe try 8 pip every 8 pips, because you get more pips that way as well. Okay, guys, that's the LT video. Another big one. I know you love big ones, but I had to get a lot in, and I just sincerely hope this helps everybody. Okay, guys, with direction, because as I've said, once you have direction, your trading is simple. You either go with the flow in it, 2 1s, 3 0s, right? Or you're using what Darwin does, the compounding system, or you might just be like Igor and just 1 or 2 entries, and like Lambo, who just does 1 entry per setup and takes one big trade. Okay, but it doesn't matter once you understand the LTs and direction. You've cracked it, guys. Okay, see you in the room.